Welcome to Republic Services, where we believe that recycling is good for our planet and good for your business. Committed to environmental stewardship, Republic Services is one of the nation's leading providers of solid waste collection, transfer, disposal, and recycling solutions. We serve millions of commercial, industrial, construction, and residential customers across the United States and Puerto Rico. We proudly deliver sustainable environmental solutions to our customers in a safe and efficient way. We're committed to delivering quality customer service and continuously seek ways to be responsive to customer needs.
If I call in at 4 o'clock, I can call my representative, and they're usually out here by 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning.
Republic Services has the capacity to meet your construction, waste, and recycling needs. Whether you're building from the ground up, engaged in demolition, or renovating an existing property, Republic Services will provide recycling solutions to keep your project on time and on budget. Whenever possible, we make the process easy for our clients through the collection of recyclable materials in a single, no-sort, on-site container. No matter the size of your project, we can meet your waste and recycling needs. And whether you're at your site or ours, safety is of paramount importance to us. As your waste stream advisors, we are professionally equipped to assess, design, and implement sophisticated, cost-effective, and efficient recycling programs to meet your specific needs and challenges. Republic Services has experienced professionals trained to help you meet the rigorous standards of the U.S. Green Building Council's LEED program. We will work with your architect in the early design phase to ensure that enough space is incorporated into blueprints for post-construction waste and recycling based on the size and type of your building. We work with builders and contractors to establish a construction and post-construction waste and recycling plan. We will provide construction materials recycling reports designed specifically for LEED accreditation.
Republic Services, I've done several projects with them in which they are LEED certified projects, and the representatives will sit down with you and give you a complete program from start to finish to get your materials removed properly.
For the past 2 decades, Republic Services has been perfecting the collection and processing of waste and recyclables. It's a process that has seen tremendous technological advances in recent years. Standard waste collection and the processing of recyclables take 2 very different paths. Waste materials are collected from various residential, commercial, industrial, and construction customers. The waste collected is often delivered to a transfer station, where the material is compacted and loaded onto larger trucks destined for the landfill. Upon arrival at the landfill, trucks are weighed and transported to a designated area known as the working face. Materials are emptied into a section of the landfill that have been prepared with thick liners and other environmental protection systems in compliance with all local, state, and federal regulations. Recyclables, however, take a very different path. Once our trucks have collected materials from homes and businesses, they take the recyclables to a sophisticated, technologically advanced recycling center called a Materials Recovery Facility, or a MRF. The sorting process begins as the truck empties its contents onto a tipping floor for processing. Materials continue their journey on conveyor belts, which sort and separate the materials utilizing technologies that include magnetic fields, optical sorters, and polishing screens. Republic Services utilizes some of the latest innovations in automation. Optical sorters recognize different types of materials and divert them to specific collection areas. Aluminum cans jump from the sorting line to a different container when they enter an electrically charged magnetic zone. Paper, cardboard, metals, and plastics are all separated by type in similar fashion. Once sorted and separated, the recyclable commodities are baled and prepared for shipment to worldwide markets for reuse and manufacturing. Recyclables are repurposed to make new products such as aluminum and steel cans, plastic products, newspapers, building materials, clothing, and even carpets. From our network of recycling services, facilities, and strategic partnerships nationwide, we proudly provide sorted, clean commodities to become feedstock for hundreds of recycled content products in multiple industries. From plastics, paper, and metals, you never know where your recyclables will turn up again. Republic Services is proud to make it possible for our customers to act responsibly and help conserve natural resources. Recycling helps conserve water and fossil fuels, reduce air pollution, save energy, and support economic growth. On your construction site or remodel project, you can recycle items such as paper, cardboard, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, copper, wiring, wood, and drywall. For a complete list of acceptable construction recyclable materials, contact your local representative or visit us online at republicservices.com. At Republic Services, we understand the critical role recycling plays in a sustainable future. We continuously seek ways to develop new markets and opportunities to reuse and repurpose recyclable commodities. We believe recycling transforms waste streams into an environmental supply chain. Republic Services is proud to be an environmental partner you can count on.